Founders Day is a celebration not only of the university's namesake, but for all those who have made AKU what it is today. And the Founders Day Awards have been instituted as an annual tradition to honor outstanding alumni, faculty, and staff. President Shahabuddin, will you please come to the podium to announce the recipients of our inaugural Founders Day Awards?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The Chancellor, His Highness the Aga Khan, once said, "Plans and visions are poor things if they engender no action." The Founders Day Award celebrates individuals whose determined action and thinking have had a lasting impact on individuals, institutions, and societies. These women and men are a credit to the university. The first set of awards are the Distinguished Alumni Achievement Awards, which recognizes graduates of the university who have rendered outstanding service to society. The inaugural recipients are Dr. David Karuri Maina, class of 2015, Medical College, East Africa. Dr. Karuri could have practiced anywhere in Kenya, but he chose West Pokot County, one of the country's most marginalized areas. He has transformed Kapenguria County Hospital into what one observer calls a benchmark for public hospitals in Kenya. He was recently awarded the title Moran of the Order of the Burning Spear by the President of Kenya. Dr. Hamida Hussain, class of 1994, Medical College, Pakistan. Tragically, Dr. Hussain passed away at the age of 52. A leader at interactive research and development, she has been described as a quiet giant of public health. Dr. Hussain's pioneering research in Pakistan generated new strategies for fighting tuberculosis, one of the world's deadliest diseases. In the words of one of her collaborators at Harvard Medical School, Dr. Hussain's research stands to transform the lives of millions of children and their families globally. AKU Associate Professor Mauladad Shafa, class of 1995, Institute for Educational Development, Pakistan. As head of AKU's professional development centers in Gilgit, Baltistan, and Chitral, Professor Shafa has led our efforts to improve education in hundreds of public and private schools. Working in areas with some of the lowest levels of female literacy in Pakistan, he has opened the door of opportunity to thousands of girls and boys. As one colleague put it, his name is synonymous with educational improvement in northern Pakistan. AKU Professor Rosina Karmalyani, class of 1987 and 1991, School of Nursing and Midwifery, Pakistan. Professor Karmalyani has been elevating nursing in Pakistan for nearly 4 decades. She is the first AKU graduate to earn a doctorate in nursing, the first alumna to serve as Dean of the School of Nursing and Midwifery, and the first Pakistan-based nurse to be awarded membership in the American Academy of Nursing. As an educator, researcher, and advocate for our profession and for women's empowerment, Professor Karmalyani is a tireless force for change. The next set of awards are the Distinguished Leadership Awards, which salutes faculty and staff whose leadership has lifted AKU to new levels of excellence and impact. The inaugural recipients are Professor William Macharia, as its chair, Dr. Macharia turned the Department of Pediatrics in Nairobi into a regional leader. As founding director of the Research Support Unit, he grew our research capacity. As a mentor, he has developed a new generation of clinicians and faculty members. As a prolific researcher, he has helped to make AKU a go-to source for knowledge for those working to improve child health in East Africa. Dr. Sadia Faruqi, Senior Manager at the Aga Khan University Hospital, Karachi. A hospital is a complex system of interdependent parts. Few know that better than Dr. Faruqi, who has refined an array of systems and processes at Aga Khan University Hospital, thereby enhancing efficiency, quality of care, and patient satisfaction. As her many previous awards testify, she is an administrator par excellence. The next set of awards are the Distinguished Service Award honors that honors faculty and staff who have selflessly and successfully worked for the betterment of their fellow human beings. The inaugural recipients are Mrs. Yasmin Muhammad, Senior Research Coordinator. All children, including special needs children, should have the opportunity to fully develop their abilities. A graduate of AKU's Institute for Education Development, Mrs. Muhammad has been spreading that message for decades. Working with schools, teachers, parents, frequently on a volunteer basis, she has supported the development of special needs children, winning the gratitude of those entrusted with their care, as well as receiving multiple awards. Professor Marlene Temmerman, Chair of the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology and Director of the Center of Excellence in Women and Child Health at the Aga Khan University campus in Nairobi. Ever since she arrived in Kenya from Belgium as a young physician, Dr. Temmerman has been passionately committed to advancing health and human rights in East Africa and around the world. In her skilled hands, knowledge is a tool for changing people's lives for the better, whether she is helping a mother to deliver, nurturing a young researcher, contributing to the development of global policy, of working to improve quality of care in government health facilities. It is no wonder that the President of Kenya recently awarded her the title Moran of the Order of the Burning Spear, a high honor rarely given to non-Kenyans. Next is the President's Medal, which is amongst the highest honor the university confers upon its faculty and staff. It recognizes individuals whose extraordinary service and enduring commitment to the Aga Khan University have advanced its progress and shaped its evolution. The inaugural recipient is Dr. Kamar Vilani. Distinguished University Professor Emeritus. May I please request Dr. Vilani to come to the stage. Dr. Vilani has embodied AKU's values since he became the first member of its faculty in 1979. As Associate Dean of the Medical College, Chair of the Department of Medicine, and Rector of the university, he has made indelible contributions to all aspects of the university's development. A superb clinician, a brilliant teacher, an innovative researcher, and of course, a gentleman. He has set a standard of excellence worthy of evolution. To this day, he remains a treasure, a most treasured member of the AKU family. I will now request Princess Zahra Aga Khan and the Chairman of the Board of Trustees, Mr. Zakir Mahmood, to please come forward. May I request Princess Zahra Aga Khan to please present the medal to Dr. Villani. Congratulations from all of us to Dr. Villani and to all our recipients for their extraordinary service and achievements. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you very much for that, President Shahabuddin.